How to insert a page break in Google Docs? Inserting page breaks in Google Docs can help you create separate sections or chapters, or add blank pages for printing. Step 1. Insert page breaks. Step 1. Open your document. Start by opening your Google Docs document. Step 2. Select the content area. Highlight the section of content where you want the page break. Step 3. Click on Insert. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. Step 4. Choose Break. From the drop-down menu, select Break, then click on Page Break. Step 5. Effect of the page break. The content after the page break will start on a new page. Method 2. Insert section breaks. Step 1. Open your document. Begin by opening your Google Docs document. Step 2. Select the content area. Highlight the section where you want to insert a section break. Step 3. Click on Insert in the top menu. Click Insert and select Break. Step 4. Choose Section Break. From the drop-down menu, select Section Break. Step 5. Effective section breaks. Continuous section breaks allow you to adjust margins or page numbers within different sections of your document without starting a new page.